Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, it's Jamaican healthy morning breakfast. It is cornmeal porridge on a Thursday morning. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show. We got a lot more recipe coming out, guys, and hopefully we can fill all of the gap and make you guys happy. Anyway, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus, and my cookbook is on Amazon 50%. Facebook like page is there, Chef Ricardo Cooking. Thank you so much, and hopefully you'll enjoy the recipe and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Well, it's Thursday morning. Thursday morning cornmeal porridge. So after you have like something like a smoothie or a green juice in the morning, you can drink some porridge to balance the day. First of all, we're gonna put some cornmeal inside of the bowl like this. As you can see, the amount of cornmeal which I've been using. I'm gonna tell you the amount of cornmeal. Alright, that's roughly 1 cup and quarter of cornmeal right here. Nice one. Then after, we're gonna put some mixed spice. Half teaspoon of mixed spice. Half teaspoon of nutmeg egg. Cinnamon is good for you. Special cinnamon, good for your blood. Pinch of cinnamon. Then next, give it a little whisk like this. Lovely, nice. Half cups of coconut milk is a must. You have to put coconut milk in it. Because what happened now, the coconut milk gonna give it a lovely flavor and a lovely taste towards it. So we're gonna put half cups of coconut milk in it. Then we're gonna put 2 cups of whole milk. Give it a whisk. Then next we're gonna put some vanilla. We're gonna get all of the flavor in it and we're gonna cook everything. Roughly 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Nice one. So that's ready. Okay? Next, what we're gonna do now. Nice. So right here I have a pot on the stove with some water inside of it. As you can see, roughly about 4 cups of water. We have it inside of it, but the secret is that's when you're making cornmeal porridge, make the water start to boil like that. Then what you do, add the cornmeal mixture to it. Give it a whisk and leave it until it starts to get boiled up. All right. So as you can see, it starts to get thick now. Let's continue whisking it, as you can see. And that's exactly what you're looking for. The thickness. The beauty is when you're making cornmeal porridge, you can always allow it for it to get thick. And you can always add a little bit of milk to it. Nice one. So as you can see, we're just going to allow that to cook for about 10 minutes. Nice and lovely. So look at that. Really thick. And that's exactly what you're looking for. So what you're going to do is just going to add a little bit more milk in it. As you can see, exactly what I'm talking about right here. Yeah, allow that another 10 more minutes. Good to go. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, this is what's happening right here. Look at that, beautiful. All I have to do is just allow it for it to cook for another good 10 to 12 minutes. Yeah. Then I'm gonna sweeten it with some condensed milk. Cover it again. Keep going, cook. Nice and lovely. Look at that. That is fantastic and beautiful. Basically, we want to sweeten it. Sweeten and taste as it goes along. That's the best way how to do your porridge. So, and basically what we're going to do is put some sweet condensed milk in it. And sweeten as it goes along and taste it. As you can see, this is looking so lovely and nice. It's an amazing recipe, guys. Then pinch of salt. Give it a taste. That's really nice. So what we're gonna do, allow it for it to cook for another 10 minutes. All right, lovely and nice. Nice and lovely. So now this is finished. As you can see, you can share it out and the family just enjoy it. Alright, enjoy the recipe and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. This is a healthy breakfast, Jamaican healthy breakfast, Thursday morning food. Best of the best from Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye.